The estimated breakdown of trust funds is automatically calculated as you add the purchase price, tax certificates, HOA fees, condo fees, and other adjustments to your file. With matter transactions in the trust ledger, you can now confirm when you have received those funds in trust and when you have disbursed those funds and export that information for import into accounting software. To add a trust transaction to your file, if you're in a purchase, go to the Cash to Bring action in the Actions menu. If you are in a sale, go to the Net Proceeds action in the Actions menu. If you are in a refinance, to the Net Proceeds action in the Actions menu. In the Estimated Cash to Bring or Net Proceeds window, you'll see the calculated expected trust transactions for your file. To record the receipt of the transaction, click on the transaction. If the transaction has a plus symbol, by clicking on that entry, you will be able to deposit funds to your trust account. If it has a minus symbol, by clicking on that entry, you will be able to withdraw funds from your trust account. When you click on the entry, you will be prompted to choose the bank account. You will need to include the date of the transaction, and if it isn't auto-populated, the payee or payor for the transaction. By adding the payment type, check, bank draft, wire transfer, electronic transfer, and payment ID, when the trust ledger is exported, that information will be available for reporting and accounting purposes. When the information is complete, click Withdraw or Deposit to record the transaction. Now that the estimated transaction has been deposited, the plus or minus button will be removed from that item on the Cash to Bring or Net Proceeds window. To see the trust transactions, click the down arrow on the right-hand side of the account you'd like to review in the Matter Transactions window. You can manually add a trust transaction by clicking on either the plus deposit or minus withdrawal in the Matter Transactions window. To create a trust ledger, navigate to the Documents action, click the button labeled Precedents, type Trust Ledger in the window, and click Trust Ledger.